Hello, everyone, and welcome to our very first French adventure. I am so excited you're here. Today, we're going to learn some brand new words, kind of like we're language detectives on a mission. So are you ready? Let's go. Okay, check this out. Here's our first scene. It's a beautiful day in the park, and there are lots of people here. But there's a little mystery we need to solve. See the question at the top? It says, Que sont-ils en train de faire? That's just a fancy French way of asking, what are they doing right now? To figure it out, we're going to have to look really closely. All right, detectives, it's time to start our investigation. Let's zoom in and see what everyone in the park is up to. First up is this girl right here, Alice. Let's see what she's doing. So, to talk about what Alice is doing, in French we say, Elle est en train de lire. Now that first word, elle, just means she. So we know we're talking about a girl. But what about the rest of it? Let's break it down. The most important word here is lire. And lire means to read. Simple, right? And that other part, en train de, is like a secret code that means in the middle of. So when you put it all together, elle est en train de lire literally means she is in the middle of reading. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, now it's your turn to say it. We'll go super slow first. Just repeat after me. Elle est en train de lire. Awesome. Now let's try saying it at a normal speed, like a real French speaker. Ready? Elle est en train de lire. Great job. You can even pretend you're reading a book while you say it. All right, let's move on to our next person. It's Grand-père Pierre. He looks so cozy. To say what he's doing, we say, Il est en train de dormir. Did you notice that the first word changed? We use il when we mean he. So the new action word here is dormir. Can you guess what that means just by looking at the picture? That's right, it means to sleep. So, il est en train de dormir means he is in the middle of sleeping. Time to practice again. Let's do it slowly. Repeat after me. Il est en train de dormir. Fantastic. Now let's say it all together, maybe with a sleepy voice. Il est en train de dormir. Why not pretend to take a little nap too? Zzz. Okay, who's next? Let's check on Monsieur Legrand. Looks like he's busy with a bicycle. In French, we'd say, Il est en train de réparer le vélo. You can probably guess that le vélo means the bicycle. And our new action word is réparer. Listen to that word, réparer. Doesn't it sound a lot like the English word repair? Well, that's exactly what it means. So, il est en train de réparer le vélo means he is in the middle of fixing the bike. See, some words are super easy to remember. This one is a little bit longer, but I know you can do it. Let's go slow. Repeat after me. Il est en train de réparer le vélo. You are a natural. Now let's say it all together with confidence. Il est en train de réparer le vélo. And our final person to investigate is little Maggie. She's playing with her doll. So what's she doing, we say? Elle est en train d'habiller sa poupée. And since Maggie is a girl, we use elle again. The action word here is habiller. Any guesses what that one means? It means to dress. So, elle est en train d'habiller sa poupée means she is in the middle of dressing her doll. And that last part, sa poupée, means her doll. Okay, this is our last one. Let's make it our best one yet. Ready? Repeat after me. Elle est en train d'habiller sa poupée. Perfect. Now let's say it all together with a big smile. Elle est en train d'habiller sa poupée. Wow, you have learned so much. You did it. You cracked the case of what everyone is doing in the park. You've learned 4 new French phrases. Now for the final test. It's time for a quick quiz to see what you remember. Are you ready to show off your new skills? Okay, first question. Take a good look at Grand-père Pierre. In French, what is he doing? Okay, what is Grand-père Pierre doing? Take a few seconds. Think about it. Remember that sleepy word? Did you get it? The answer is...
Il est en train de dormir.
Yes, that's it. You are a French superstar. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Okay, one more question to prove you're an amazing detective. What is Alice doing? I know you've got this one. And the answer is Elle est en train de lire. You got it. You guys are on fire. You have officially solved the mystery of the French phrases. You guys did an absolutely amazing job today. Seriously. You learned 4 new action words in French: lire, dormir, réparer, and habiller. You should be super proud of yourselves. Now I have one final mission for you. As you go about your day, try to be a French detective in your own home. When you see someone doing something, see if you can remember the words we learned. It's a really fun way to practice. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I can't wait to see you next time. Au revoir!